The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has called for the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry to be suspended until after the Pretoria High Court hears a legal challenge brought by its leader, former President Jacob Zuma. The court is set to hear arguments on the legality, establishment, and composition of the commission on Wednesday, a day before the inquiry's scheduled commencement. Nhlamulo Ndlela, spokesperson for the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, argued that postponing the commission is not only rational, but necessary to uphold respect for the rule of law and the separation of powers, and said this is the only responsible course of action if these constitutional principles are to be preserved. Ndlela further suggested that rushing ahead with the commission could be seen as a deliberate attempt to preempt and frustrate the court process, and said he also described the commission as a pointless duplication of a parliamentary ad hoc committee investigating similar allegations made by KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi on 6 July, and said running two parallel investigations risks confusion and could produce contradictory findings. He also criticized President Cyril Ramaphosa's appointment of retired Judge Mbuyiseni Madlanga to lead the commission, arguing that it represents a clear conflict of interest, and that it is patently unlawful and irrational for a sitting judge to head an inquiry into allegations directly implicating members of the judiciary in corruption, gangsterism, and criminal syndicates. This ensures the commission can never command legitimacy, independence, or public confidence, describing the process as a political smokescreen. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party spokesperson also questioned the constitutionality of Feroz Kachela's appointment as acting Minister of Police, arguing that sidelining Senzo Mchunu under the guise of a leave absence is unlawful. These matters are expected to come under court scrutiny on 18 and 19 September. Ndlela accused Ramaphosa of ignoring recommendations from Zondo Commission while rewarding implicated individuals with the ministerial and deputy ministerial positions, and said that the premature commencement of the Madlanga Commission is a waste of taxpayers' money. Any findings which are non-binding will inevitably be disregarded. What South Africans are witnessing is nothing more than a costly political theater designed to shield certain factions from accountability. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.